So as you can tell, it's hyper flashing. I put some LED bulbs in here, and I bought all these resistors as well, since I thought I had to use these, break the circuits and hook these up in there, and found a different solution. This is a flash relay, has the pins for this vehicle, and let's see if it works. As you can tell, that is hyper flashing. The relay itself goes underneath here. Has a little latch. I don't know if I can get there with one hand, maybe not. Yeah, that came out. See if we can get this one in there. And from the clicking, that sounds like it's already solved the issue. There you go, problem solved. So, these resistors, all you need to do is get the correct relay, cost about $15, and the problem is solved.